in education. Good luck to all of us, and God bless us all.
Into a beautiful flowers that will inspire our birds.
Dedication, commitment, love. Of course, we have here growth, improvement, focus, determination, and positivity. And that's all. Thank you.
That will serve as our guide so that we will have a consistent and quality education towards our learners.
Very good, thank you.
We just have 2 or 3 na gina-emphasize ang strengthening of the peace education, in which in that topic it is clearly discussed the salient features of the matatag curriculum, and it was emphasized and ang session nga there are 3 good nga areas na gina-emphasize of the matatag curriculum.
Stay matatag!
Be matatag!
Be matatag!
Stay matatag!
Okay, God bless everyone.